What's going on, traders? It's your boy Matt back at it again. As you guys know, $1,000 a day. So I made $1,000 today in about, I think, an hour worth of trading. Today the market closed at 1, so I planned my trades to finish early. I'm up $1,000 now. I already walked away, and that's it. So the first trade that I took was Works WRX. And with this one, as you guys can see, I actually bought it here and I sold up here. So this was a gapper from yesterday from 10, $1.20 area. I bought it there and then I sold right there. So I didn't hold it for too long. Nothing big. And the next one that I traded was let's have a look at THCV. Now this one was a gapper as well. As you guys can see, it went up. Massive parabolic move here right at 7. Washed out all the way. I actually I waited for this thing to come up. I shorted there with 600 shares and then I covered. Right? And then I shorted here again and then I covered quick. So, those were the trade I shorted here and I got out for pretty quick profit as well. Uh, you know, did I trade it properly? No, I made only almost 300 bucks on that move, but I did not trade this one properly, so I got out quick. The next one that I traded was RMG. Now with RMG, same thing here. I actually shorted this thing for crack here pre-market. I covered as it was dropping. Shorted here, covered a little bit. Shorted here, covered a little bit. This one right here, I was actually looking at this, thinking about shorting, but I was preparing the video, so I just missed out. But this would have made a really good short right here from 16 all the way down. The next trade that I took was APXT. Now APXT is pretty interesting. The reason why is because I actually shorted here, right? I was in about I think 600 shares, but I covered really quick and it dropped. And I didn't short this as well. So I missed completely. I missed this one out. I tried here, got out quick. I tried here, got out quick. As you guys can see, I'm not holding. But what I did here was I bought this. When I saw it bottoming out, I bought this thing here. And then as it was going up, I actually took profit all the way up here. And then I tried to short it a little bit. I made like 10 cents profit into that. That was it. And then I shorted, quick profit. That was it. Anyway, guys, these were all the trades that I took. I didn't take a lot of trades. Pretty. Normally I would trade more shares, but I traded maybe like 3 or 4 tickers, which was pretty good. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, but like to see live trading content or an explanation like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. I appreciate it. Now enjoy the actual live trading footage. Alright guys, welcome to the live trading part of my videos. As you guys can see, pre-market I am already up 600 bucks and I got out of all of my positions before market open. Now market open, I just got back in again. APTX, I got in 600 shares right here short, and I took a little bit of profit there because I didn't like the way it's holding. Now I'm holding only 300 shares, taking 150, so I should have waited again, but it felt like it was indecisive. I wanted to kind of reject from that area from 15, 1480 and drop pretty hard, but it wasn't doing that. So I'm looking at the level 2 as well. It looks a bit heavy, but kind of hesitating. So kind of took profit. As you guys can see, it did pop after me covering. I think I made about 100 bucks on it. It did pop. So I'm up 700 bucks now. I'm holding. So this is why it's really important knowing how to read level 2. So I got back in again another trade, 600 shares THCO. That trade is happening on a separate monitor that I have. But as you guys can see, I'm down like 20 bucks on that trade. But APTX, this is why it's really important reading level 2. When it's not doing what it's supposed to do, you get out for whatever profit is on the table, right? Should have dropped hard, but it was hesitating, indecisive move. Gave me the profit. I'm out. Now I'm in the other trade, THCO. As you guys can see, I'm up almost 100 bucks on it. That puts me almost up 800 bucks on a day, which is not bad. So today, because of the holidays, market closed at 1, so I planned to trade pretty, a little bit more aggressively to kind of hit my daily goal before half day. As you guys can see, I'm up 950 bucks, $960 right here. I covered the other position. Now I'm sitting back waiting for one more trading opportunity. I don't want to rush anything to close that $1,000, which is my daily goal every day. And if you guys have seen my daily recap videos, I've been doing it for a lot as well. On Wednesday, I was up 1,100 bucks as well. As you guys can see here, these are all the trades from Wednesday. I know I didn't upload a video for that, so I'm up on those 2 days. I'm up nicely. So I got back in again in this trade here, RAIL, 1,000 shares at 73 to 73 average. I'm down 20 bucks on it. So I'm doing all right. My risk is over the highs. This thing drops. If it gives me my 1,000, I'll be out, done for the day, walk away. So pretty easy trades, as you guys can see. I'm done for the day trading. I'm $1,004 up on the day, and that was it. Now, if you guys want to have a look at this right here, these are the trades that I took on Wednesday, as I said, and I had a major loss on this trade right here, 2,600 bucks, but I managed to make that 2,600 bucks and more, plus more. So if I didn't really screw up on that particular trade, I should have been up $3,000-4,000 in that day, up to $5,000. So if you add up all these losses plus how much I'm up, comes about 5,000 or something like that. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like and comment down below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, consider doing that. It would greatly help me grow the account. And also, there's a link down below for a free chat room that I have on Discord. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.